Hello everyone, my name is Yogi and today we'll be solving part A from the November 2015 grade 1 past paper. So let's start music theory past paper. So friends, in today's video we are going to solve 2015 past paper from November. Okay, in the past video we have done the May 2015 question paper. Now this is the November one. Okay, so let's start from exercises straight away. As we move, you can see this is section 1. So in today's video we are going to solve only section 1. So let's start with the first question. It is name this note. So we have find what is this is bass clef, and this is green burst right fast always. A, after A is B, and this is accidental of flat, so this is B flat. Okay, now next is name this note. So this is treble clef and this is middle C. Before middle C is B, so this is a B. Okay, now next after that is name the notes to find the hidden words. So let's find out these notes. This is bass clef and this is fourth line, that is F, first space A. So this is green burst rise fast always, B, C. So this is C, this is middle C. The third space is C. Okay, sorry, third space is E, F, A, C, E. This is bass clef. So we got F, A, C, E, F, A, C, E. So this is F, A, C. So this is the right one. Okay, now next is how many crochet beats are there in a minim. It's a simple, there are 2 crochet beats in there is in a minim. Next is add the total number of crochet beat in these note values. So we go, this is half plus 1 plus 3. So this is 1, this make 1, 2 and 3 makes 5. So total is 5 crochet beat. Okay, let's move on to the next page. So the next one is which rest matches the length of the note value. So this is, we know minim note, so minim is this one. Okay, next, which is the correct time signature. So let's count the beat first. This is 1 crochet beat value, this is makes 1 more crochet beat, and this makes 1 crochet. So we have 3 crochet beat in total. So we can go with 3 by 4. This is right. It cannot be 4 by 4 because this we have only 3 crochet beat. It cannot be 2 by 4 also because it has only 3 crochet beat, not 2. Okay, now the next one is to return the last note to the pitch of the first note, which accidental would you put just before it. If you remember, Joe, in the first question paper which I solved, this part was missing from the May segment. So this is what I was talking about. This section was missing over there. So now you can see here. Now it's saying that key what accident we have to put here to make this note again the same note. So from here, from sharp to natural, that means we have decreased a half a degree, right? Now from degree to again we have to make it this note. What we have to do, we have to raise to, we have to again make a sharp there. Okay, we have to again raise it. Now the next is which pair of the note has a distance of a semitone between them. Now this is, we have to find out which one is it. From D to E, this is, let's find out with the keyboard. It will be easier for you to understand. You can write it down also. So this is D to E. So D to E, we know this is 2 semitones there. From F sharp to G, from F sharp to G, yes, this is the distance of a semitone, and A to B is again 2 semitones. So the correct answer is F and F sharp and G. Okay, now next question is which note is the tonic in the key of F major. A simple is F note. The next is here is the scale of G major, where are the semitones. G major, so this is a major scale, and in major scale we remember that the semitones is between the 3rd and 4th degree and the 7th and 8th degree. There is no second thought about it. You just have to click this one. Okay, next, move on to the next page. Now you can see in the next page which chord symbol fits above the tonic triad. So this is B flat, that means there is G major, or oh, sorry, the F major. Okay, because it's a B flat, this is key signature of F major, and this is the first note is F, so this is F is correct answer. Name this interval. So this is 1 2 3, so this is third interval. Okay, which note need to be added to make a tonic triad in the key of G major. So for G major we need G, E, F, sorry, G, A, I always make a mistake here, B, C and D. So we need G, B and D. So we have bass clef, this is G, and we have D, we need B in between. So we need a B note, you can just make it there. Okay, now next one is, if you write a piece in a key of G major, from which scale will you take most of the notes? It's simple, it's G major. Obviously we are playing G major scale. Now what does this mean? This means getting gradually slower. Okay, next is name this interval. So this is 1 and 2, this is second interval, right? Next is a dot after a note means, it means that half its value again is added to its length. It is not detached because this one is under or above the note, not on the side of the note, after note. Okay, let's move on to the next page. Now the next one, you see what is Mezzo Forte means. It means medium loud. Okay, because mezzo means medium. Okay, and forte means loud. Next is, what does ritnato means? It means getting gradually slower. Okay, so here we finish our section 1. Now I will see you in the section 2 in the next video. Till then, thank you.